everyone, welcome back to Cooking Dairy Free and Up for Golf Nancy. So today I am going to show y'all how I pickle my peppers. I cut up my banana peppers, I've got tomatoes in there and onions. So I'm going to show y'all how I make the brine. So it depends on your recipe. Some people says a cup and a half of water, a cup and a half of vinegar. But I am just going to do a cup because I know mine always makes more than I need. So we got a cup of water in there. We're going to do our white vinegar. Some people use apple cider vinegar. Today I am using white vinegar. So I'll bring that to a boil. So I'm going to add what I'm going to put in to here to flavor it. You can add it to the water. This time I'm not because I'm trying something different. Alright. So we have mustard seeds. I'm going to add a good handful, so probably about like a half a tablespoon because, you know, they fill up stuff really fast. I'm going to put a little bit of my ginger and turmeric in there. That's for coloring and flavoring. So that's roughly a teaspoon and a half. A teaspoon of salt. I don't have any garlic cloves, so I'm going to use garlic powder instead. So a teaspoon of garlic powder. I am going to add some onion powder, even though the onion's in there. So a teaspoon of that, and a teaspoon of black pepper. What? And not so much. There we go. A pinch of black pepper. Alrighty, so while we're waiting for the water to boil, we need to get a lid. Where my lids are, moving. So, you know, that's me. I always think I have everything to do a video. No reason I'm messing with one thing or so, but that's okay. That's okay because, you know, everything sometimes is not perfect. So while that water is boiling, I'm gonna put these spices back. Yeah, some add like 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. I don't have no whole garlic or anything, and then I'm just going to use this like this. Now I do have tomatoes and peppers left over. I want to try to make a salsa with those and see how that will turn out. But so, yes, I love pickled foods. Some pickled foods don't like me, but that's okay. I was talking about eating right for your blood type. So, according to that book, type A blood type needs to lay off the pickled foods. But I'm just like, it has never bothered me. So, like I said, everybody's different, even though that's just like a general type thing. Sorry about that. A general type thing of a guide and everything. So that's something I'm going to be trying also to implement, is eating that way, which I eat that way anyway. So more the fruits and vegetables and everything and all. So we're still waiting for this. You know, a watch pot never boils. Alright, so now it's coming it came to a boil. So now we're going to sit here and we're just going to pour this over. You can always add more water. So I'm going to heat some more up. But don't that look good? That looks so good. Now what you do, as you're pickling, you can put the lid on, but you also can put, it's like a burper type thing. It has a little lip on it. And but you want to let this cool before you put any tops on it. Kind of like when fermenting and everything when you do that. You can also use a coffee filter if you don't have one of those. Coffee filter and a rubber band. That's how I started out. Coffee filter, rubber band. Sit on there. It's breathable still. You can still lift it up every once in a while. Shake it up once a day. Make sure everything is still going good. And then, you know, but once this cools and everything, I'll probably let it sit out till tonight, maybe tomorrow, and then I'll stick it in the fridge. And refrigerated tomatoes, peppers, and onions. Kind of like refrigerated pickles, but I don't have no cucumbers. But this is awesome. Alright, so this water is hot enough. Add some more up to the little lip right there, and there we go. That is all to it. You can also add different flavorings, you know, and everything, different spices. If you want like a basil, oregano, thyme in there, you can do that. I like using the turmeric because it's good for us, and then does so many things, and I like the color of it. So there we go. Making some pickled peppers. So you know the rhyme. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? I don't know. I know I got about like 30 banana peppers, so I picked those. Oh, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you for stopping by Cooking Dairy Free and I Forgot with Nancy. And we'll see you next time on the channel. Have a wonderful day.